Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice. So today I am going to unbox this MacBook Pro. So I am doing the unboxing for this. It says it has M5 chip, and as usual Apple has these green arrows which you have to pull to do the opening off, and there's one at the bottom as well, so I will do that as well. I will write the spec in my description for you guys to have a look. So yes, got the box open. Now I am going to open it for you. I really love these boxes that more than the laptop even. I like these cover, the box cover. Nice. Wow. Beautiful. So this one is a black one. So there is this flap that you use to pull the laptop off. And designed by Apple in California. So we got this laptop. MacBook, that's what it's called. And I'm going to open it. Wow, nice. Nice. Wow, this black one. MacBook Pro, beautiful. Very nice. So it's a black one. And I am going to open it. There is a flap that you use. Wow. There you go. It has turned on. Okay, that's the screen cover. I love the nice big keys that it has. Hello. It says hello. Very nice. It does come with this cable, one black cable. Nice. And it comes with, there is, I think this must be the manual in there. And the charger. There is the usual, Apple charger that you get, the white one. And the cable is here. So these are the three things that it comes with. And it does have this MacBook Pro. Oh, very simple. So very simple manual. So I love this actually. It's just one pager, and it says that welcome to your MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro automatically starts up when you lift the lid. Setup Assistant helps you get you up and running. It does have a Touch ID and Force Touch trackpad as well. And then it has MagSafe 3 charging, a Thunderbolt 4 USB-C charger, which I showed you. There is a headphone that you can attach to this MacBook. Your fingerprint can unlock MacBook Pro, sign in to app instantly, and authorize payment using autopay. That function is there. Multi-touch trackpad gestures. Easily navigate web pages and apps using gestures. Brush or sweep with 2 fingers to scroll or navigate. Click with 2 fingers to right click to learn more. Choose system settings, then click trackpad. So it's already starting up to set up. Okay. So there is a menu bar, camera, control center. Siri is there as well.
English is the main language.
And there is a finder, a dock, system settings, and it does have a HDMI cable. It also has SDXC card slot. Wow, I love it. get the MacBook Pro Getting Started Guide, and there is a support you can get in case you're in trouble. You can always go to the apple.com website on MacBook Pro and contact Apple to help you out. So this is my review of MacBook. I just did an opening for you. I personally have not used much of MacBook, but I am looking forward to the experience. So far, it's a great laptop and with very nice display and nice and solid. So I love it. So thank you for watching my channel and subscribe to so many viewers I have. So please make sure you give a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share my video with your family and friends. Do send me comments about what other questions you might have about this laptop, and I'm very happy to answer.